I speak to many Australians here in Spain who receive conflicting information as to how their Australian superannuation funds will be taxed here in Spain. Now, I'm not an accountant, and this topic definitely falls within the remit of an accountant. However, I have double checked my understanding with a company here in Spain called Entre Tramites, who provide immigration and taxation advice for people living in Spain or for those who are looking to move to Spain, and they do have other Australians as their clients. If you are a Spanish tax resident and you receive an income or a withdrawal from your Australian super fund, then it's taxed at the general rates of income tax here in Spain. It doesn't matter what tax release or tax benefits may apply in Australia. If you live in Spain as a tax resident, then it simply falls under Spanish tax rules. Therefore, it is subject to the general rates of income tax in the region that you live in when you take an income from it. And if you do have access to the super fund, the value is subject to wealth tax in Spain if you live in a region where wealth tax is applicable. Since the super fund is an overseas asset, it's not a Spanish asset, it should also be declared on the Modelo 720 every year at the end of March if the value of your pensions exceeds €50,000, and again, if you have access to it. When you do start to take income from the super fund, if any taxes have been deducted in Australia, there is a double taxation agreement between Australia and Spain, which means the Spanish accountant will credit you against any taxes that have already been paid to Australia. And that just means you'll never pay the same tax twice on the income that you're taking from the super fund. If you wish to discuss financial planning in Spain, such as investments or retirement planning, you're very welcome to contact me for a complimentary meeting, and I'll paste a link in the comments field below. Or if you wish to discuss the taxation of your super fund or personal taxation in general, please let me know and I can direct you to the tax advisors.